5 Sweet Peas. Today for you, I'm going to be creating some fun, quick, and simple nail art featuring 2 new Zoyas and then an older Zoya. But first off, I'm starting off with my base coat of choice, and right now I am using the Peel Ease Peel Off base coat from IMK Nails. It is latex free, so I'm totally into that. I don't use latex for anything, so it was like kind of a search to find that one, but Christy from Begin Nails told me about it and I absolutely love it. So after I've got my base coat on, I'm actually going to start this whole manicure by putting on a kind of sheer nude, like not nude, but like a French manicure base shade, and I'm using Zoya's Bela for that. I put on 1 coat, and then I am going to go in to the gradation part of this manicure. So for this, I am using a wetted cosmetic sponge, and I have applied the 2 colors that I want to gradate onto my nail and onto the sponge, and I'm just doing that repeatedly until I get the coverage that I like. So I'm not going all the way up my nail because we did put in that kind of like sheer perfectory shade that you would for a French manicure. I kind of wanted to keep the cuticle area clear and free of color because I wanted to give it going into that like neutral look. So I have done that. Then I'm going to clean up and I'm going to move on to the next step, which is actually putting on 2 more coats of Zoya's Bela, because this kind of just brings it all together, which I really like. It kind of literally like mixes the shades together, makes the gradation look much more cohesive and more just like a normal transition rather than a major gradation. Then after that is dry and I am happy with the overall look, I'm going to go ahead and put on my choice of top coat, and I am using the Moonshine Manny one. It's called the Let's Go Quick Dry Top Coat. I absolutely love her top coats. Plus they have great brushes like the Moonshine Manny polishes in general, and I was just like loving it. And so here is the final look at this design. Super easy. All it really takes is a sheer perfector or manicure based color shade, then a neutral color and a light purple, and you're good to go. So there is that. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I don't know why I created this. Like I just like kind of turned on the camera and it happened, so there was no real goal in mind. It was slightly inspired by the Zoya nail polish lookbook that they came out with for the Spring Calm collection. So there's that. If you want to head over to their site, they might have a link to it. I will see if I can find it and share it down below. But that covers it all. So thank you guys so much for watching this super quick, kind of all over the place time-lapse paint with me tutorial. And I think that's it. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you back here with another new video very, very soon, within like a few hours actually, because the Zoya Collection review is coming out on Friday at 7 a.m. So I will see you then. Bye!